Affiliate marketing is an incredible way to make money online. A lot of people do affiliate marketing without even doing YouTube, but when you combine affiliate marketing with YouTube, you can get some pretty good results. And by results, I mean some good views and some really good income. Oftentimes you can see like 3 times or 4 times the amount of earnings from affiliate marketing compared to your AdSense revenue. So in this powerful YouTube automation affiliate marketing strategy, I want to show you how you can do affiliate marketing with a search-based YouTube automation channel, because that's what I focus on, is search-based channels. And I'm going to be showing you everything I do when it comes to affiliate marketing with my search-based channels, because when you can get in front of hungry people that are actively searching for that specific problem, your conversion rate is going to be through the roof. Oftentimes I can see like 20 or 30% conversion rates on my YouTube affiliate marketing. So I'm on this affiliate program right here. You may be familiar with it. It's the Shopify affiliate program. This is an e-commerce platform that allows you to build an online store so you can sell dropshipping products or your own products and stuff like that. They have a very powerful affiliate program that you can join. You can just go to like Shopify and then go to affiliates, and you'll be able to see here. The nice thing about affiliate marketing with digital products, and specifically ones like the Shopify affiliate program, is that they're going to be paying you recurring commissions every single month as long as the customer remains a customer. So you can build a solid AdSense revenue, and you can also on the back end build a solid affiliate marketing recurring income. So you can see some stuff about it, but I want to show you the best way. For an example, if you wanted to promote this, all you would have to do is click on apply to become an affiliate, and then you'll be able to get your link to actually put in your videos. So when it comes to the YouTube side of things and how you actually promote these types of videos, I just typed into YouTube how to add image slider in Shopify. Now I'm going to be showing you what beginners are doing, and then I'm going to be showing you the even better way to do it so you can actually get conversions. So if you think about this keyword, how to add image slider in Shopify, you get all these videos that are on the first page with like 37,000 views, 14,000 views, 2.4 thousand views. That's great. That's going to get them some great AdSense revenue, because Shopify is a high CPM topic. But when it comes to actually promoting the Shopify affiliate program in a video like this, your conversion rate isn't going to be that high, because people that look for how to add image slider in Shopify, they already have the Shopify platform, and they're just trying to learn how to do something within the actual platform. They're not looking to sign up and become a member of Shopify. So promoting the Shopify affiliate program to these audiences, not a lot of people are going to actually convert because they have the software already. But if you now take a look at a keyword like this, which is how to start dropshipping for beginners. Now I'm just showing you keywords. I'm not looking at too much into the competition. Depending on your channel size and everything like that, you'll have to look at what you will have the ability to rank for. But this is a buyer intent keyword when it comes to the Shopify affiliate program, because people that type in how to start dropshipping for beginners, first of all, they are a beginner, they don't know much about dropshipping, and they're looking to start dropshipping. So they're not going to have a membership to the Shopify already. They're going to be looking to sign up for something so they can actually start Shopify dropshipping for the first time. So you can see this is incredible. 3.1 million views, 661,000 views. So if you take a look at those views, and then you take like an average conversion rate of like 3 or 4%, it's going to be much higher on YouTube, because the people that watch the video, they get to know you, like you, and trust you much more. So it's going to be more in the 5 to 10% range. So you can see that if they promote something in these videos, they're just going to get an extraordinary amount of sales into that product. 3.1 million views. That's so many sales I can't even count. So that's what you want to do with your affiliate marketing keywords, that your search-based keywords that you go after. Don't go after like features of the specific platform that you're promoting, because people are going to have that software already. Go after buyer intent keywords, whether they're looking to start something or whether they're looking to learn more about a specific opportunity or something like that. Let me give you another example right here. This is in Video AI, which allows you to create videos with text prompts. A very good tool when it comes to like Faceless YouTube videos and stuff like that. So what beginners are doing when it comes to YouTube search-based affiliate marketing is they're doing something like how to use in-video AI for beginners, okay? So as the previous example, this is the same situation. People that type in how to use in-video AI, they most likely just purchased in-video AI and now they're looking to learn how to use it. And then they're typing in these keywords. So that if you get like 75,000 views in 2 months, the conversion rate won't be as high as you would like because people already have the tool. Okay, so that's how it works. You want to not do like special features of the specific tool, but go after keywords like this, which is how to create faceless videos with AI. Once again, people are looking to create faceless videos and they want to do it with AI. And with in-video AI, this is all about creating faceless videos with AI. So it's a perfect match and you'll be able to get a lot of conversions if you are able to rank and actually get views on this video. So like this, 15K in 1 month, those 15K views can generate you thousands and thousands of dollars into an affiliate marketing product because it's a buyer intent keyword. So I hope you're getting the clear picture about this. Go after buyer intent keyword. So here's another example. This is a email marketing software called GetResponse, which allows you to collect email addresses and store these email addresses in the actual GetResponse software. And this is an email marketing CRM. So a keyword that you don't want to go after, once again, is how to add Facebook pixel to GetResponse. This keyword right here is not going to drive sales because it's not a buyer intent keyword. People already have GetResponse if they're typing this in, and they are just trying to learn how to add the Facebook pixel. So you can do like a mix on your channel. You can go after the features if you have the tool already. You can do like all the videos with the features and stuff like that and just target the AdSense. Put the link in the description and just see how many sales you get. But if you're looking to actually drive the most amount of sales possible, you want to go after keywords like this, which is how to do email marketing step by step. Because what is the GetResponse software? It's an email marketing CRM that allows you to do email marketing. So if someone types how to do email marketing step by step, then you can promote to them the GetResponse software, and then they'll need that to run their business. And the nice thing about when you're doing it like this is that the people are going to stay subscribed to that platform for a very long time because you taught them well how to do something in the software, and then they are relying on that for their business and they're not going to cancel very easily. So it's very good stick rate when you're doing YouTube search-based affiliate marketing. So once again, this got like 40,000 views in a month. Okay, you can promote the GetResponse. And if you have more than one product, you can put multiple products in your description. So you can say the top 3 best ways to start email marketing. And then you can promote like 3 different types of email marketing CRMs. And then people can decide which one they want to go after. So that is the best way to do affiliate marketing, and this is a very powerful strategy. I've generated thousands and thousands of dollars doing the strategy myself, and it works extremely well. Now, when I first started out, I was doing stuff like this, which is like how to add image slider in Shopify, put the Shopify affiliate link, and I wasn't getting much sales. When you make that switch to going after the buyer intent keywords, like how to start drop shipping for beginners, then you promote Shopify, the conversion rate is going to be much higher. Now, if you would like to learn more in depth about search-based YouTube, then I have a free guide for you. You can get this guide by clicking the first link in the description of this video. All you have to do is enter in your email address and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. Now, if you want to learn even more about search-based YouTube and stay on the YouTube platform and continue watching some videos, go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.